what sports are haram, Sheikh? Any sport that is involved with opening of your, exposing of your body, or any sports that is dealing with the betting and torturing and hitting on the faces and blood and all those kind of things, like boxing. People, they say, I definitely say that boxing is definitely haram. There are people who say UFC fight. I will say, even I was involved in those kind of things before Islam. I was playing boxing. I was, in the UFC fight and cage fight, and I used to do martial art and all those kind of things. But alhamdulillah, I was always, even after my religion, I was practicing and all that, but I never ever went against the religion of Islam. Even my sports, my martial art training, everything, it was fully covered. It was all decent uniform I used to wear, and I used to fight in a way that it could be, just self-defense or attacking in like a decent way, not punching on the face or not damaging a person. So anything that involves this kind of things, betting and hitting on the faces, bleeding, to hell, and then and even the person, if he is not hitting and he has been hit by the other people that could damage his physical appearance, then this is all haram in Islam.